Hi, thanks so much for looking at our video. My name is Eiland with Coa Banker.
And my name is David Bowen with loanDepot.
And today we're inside of one of my condo units in the South Loop over on 13th Street, right off of Michigan. We'll give you more details shortly. So thanks so much for tuning in. We're in one of my listings over on 13th Street, right off of Michigan Avenue in Museum Park. It's a 2-bedroom plus a den, but the den does have a closet. 2-bathroom, just under 1,400 square feet. As you can see, it's a loft style condo. It was totally remodeled in 2018. And we are asking right now, you'll have to give me a call to figure that out. Dave, for a condo like this, and we'll just say right now it's under $450. Financing wise, how does that look?
Financing wise, you can actually put 3% down on a conventional loan.
3%?
Yeah, you can
Wow.
do this at 3%
Okay.
without a problem.
Outstanding.
And I know that the association of this building is strong, so
Very
I think
strong.
there's no issues. Everything's been existing since what, 2005?
Yeah, 2005 it was built.
Yeah, so the association is in good shape and there should not be any issues on a Fannie Mae loan.
Okay.
So yeah, 3% down and you're in.
Outstanding. Now this property is in move-in condition. Again, it was remodeled. It has quartz countertops, brand new kitchen, brand new baths, a number of closets even in the master bedroom, in-unit washer dryer, and of course in the building there is a workout facility, a package room. I mean, really everything that you need, and of course the location, Dave, is excellent.
Oh, the
Premier parking spot. Thank you for reminding me.
I thought
Dave.
about the parking. The parking is awesome.
Yeah, it's actually on the very first floor, so you just get in your car and you drive right out of the garage. There is an additional fee for that. If you want more information on that, of course, you'll have to give me a call. 312-802-6204, or for financing.
708-705-7911, or you can always go to davidrbowen.com.
Or VirgisIsland.com. Thanks so much for that, Dave. Have a great day.